What's going on, Security Ninjas? Samuel here, and I like to hack things. This is going to be an extremely quick video. I'm announcing the winner of the Security Plus study material giveaway. Alright, before I announce the winner, I wanted to thank each and every one of you for entering this giveaway. It shows me that you really have the desire to learn and get your foot in the door when it comes to cybersecurity. And trust me, I wish I could provide Security Plus material to every single one of you. Maybe one day I'll be able to. However, I definitely plan on doing more giveaways in the future. Maybe training material access to cert preps or more advanced books, mid-level, experienced, etc. So stay tuned for that. Also, keep an eye out for my video coming out this week. It's about mid-level certifications. I think you're going to like the way I break it down. Okay, so now the real reason you're all here. Okay, so let me get my announcer voice going. And the winner of the Security Plus study material giveaway is Chris Zuck. And that's Z-U-C-K. Congratulations, Chris. I really hope this helps you on your journey into cybersecurity. I'm personally looking forward to the next giveaway so that I can help another one of you security ninjas. If you want to learn more cybersecurity and hacking how-tos and maybe have a chance at winning some more giveaways, please don't forget to subscribe and check out the videos linked here on the screen. Thank you.